one of the classic dances I love from 2016, back 4 years ago. It's called CORAZON DIAMANTE. Alright, so it's Diamond Heart. It's choreographed by the King, Verdonk, Gary O'Reilly, and Maggie Gallagher. This is 48 counts, a two-wall, and intermediate level line dance. This dance is leading on the right foot, so weight on the left as we start. First section, we're going to step right on the side for counts 1, and a back rock recover for counts 2 and. We're going to do the exact same thing to our left side, back rock recover for counts 3, 4 and. Now for counts 5, we're going to step our right foot on the side and a quarter sailor step to our left. So that's left together, forward on the left, now facing 9 o'clock. From here, we're going to do a half vaulted turn. So that's ball on our right, quarter turn, now facing 6 o'clock. Another ball on our right, quarter turn, facing 3 o'clock. For second section, we're going to do a forward mumble back. So that's rock, recover, back, and a coaster cross, left, together, cross, ball cross on right, left. So that's ball cross, side rock, recover, cross, and right, left, and cross right over left, and a big step to our left, stepping our left foot on the side as we drag our right foot towards the left. Next section, we're going to step our right foot back, side rock, recover on our left, recover on our right. We're going to do the exact same thing on our left foot. So that's back on our left, side rock on our right, recover on our left. From here, we're going to do a syncopated sailor step. So that's sailor to our right, and a sailor quarter to our right. So that's back on our left, quarter turn on right, stepping our right foot forward, now facing 6 o'clock. Step left on the side, plus we touch our right foot next to left. The fourth section, we're going to do bumps. Alright, we're going to do back bumps and forward bumps for counts 1, and then a forward bump for counts 2, stepping our left foot forward, and a bump to back, forward, back, 3 and 4. Weight on our right, still facing 6 o'clock. From here, we're going to step our left foot forward for counts of 5, 6 and 7. We're going to do a half diamond step. So that's cross on our right, side on our left, 1-8 turn to our right, stepping our right foot back, now facing 7:30. Back on our left, a 3-8 turn to our right, stepping our right foot forward, now facing 12 o'clock. And we step our left foot forward. From here, we're going to kick our right foot forward as we raise our left foot on the ball for counts 2 together. Side rock, recover on the left, right, together. Forward rock, recover on the right step. So that's rock, recover, together. Rock on our left, recover, together. Now weight is on our left. For the last section, we're going to do a half diamond step. So that's cross, side, 1-8 turn to our right, stepping our right foot back, now facing 1:30. Back on our left, a 3-8 turn to our right, stepping our right foot forward, now facing 6 o'clock, and forward on our left. The last 4 counts, we're going to do a forward mumble back, right, recover on the left, back on the right, and a coaster cross, left, right, cross. That ends the 48 counts. Now I'm going to try now with numbers, alright? With counts. 7, 8, 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 5, 6 and 7 and 8 and 1, mumble 2 and 3, 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8, 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8, 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6 and 7, 8 and 1, 2 and 3 and 4 and 5, 6 and 7, 8 and 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Alright, this dance has 2 restarts. On the first and third wall, facing 12 o'clock to start. We will only do 44 counts, and we do the restart facing 6 o'clock. Alright, let's try that with counts. Facing 12 to start. Ready, and 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 5, 6 and 7 and 8 and 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8, 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8, 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6 and 7, 8 and 1, 2 and 3 and 4 and 5, 6 and 7, 8 and 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Now facing 6 o'clock, we do restart. That's on the first and third wall, alright? That's the end of the dance, and I hope you guys like it as much as I do. Now see you again next time. Bye!